Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Continuing our top 15 series, we've got something special lined up for you today. I know so many of you have been asking for a customer reviews analysis for this one. Well, we're finally doing it. But before we get into that, don't forget to check this exclusive discount for it. You can find the link in both the video description and the top comment below. Let's not waste any more time and jump right into the details.
Opening things up, our first reviewer gives us their take.
This reviewer has found this Wi-Fi system to be incredibly solid after more than a year of use. Our reviewer notes that its reliability is a major highlight, with connection drops being extremely rare and likely caused by their internet provider. What truly stood out was the customer support experience. After a firmware update caused a minor hiccup, they were expecting a frustrating call, but were instead connected almost immediately to a knowledgeable representative who resolved the problem efficiently. This level of support was a very pleasant surprise. The issue itself was a strange one. A firmware update caused the administrator password to stop working. The solution, guided by the support agent, was found within the system's companion mobile app, where an old password had been stored and unexpectedly reapplied. The user advises that for this reason, it's best to manage the password through the app rather than the web interface to avoid similar conflicts. For those comfortable with more advanced networking, this mesh system is highly recommended. It offers powerful features for segmenting a network, which is perfect for isolating smart home gadgets from primary computers and phones. Our reviewer is running over 60 devices on it without any performance issues. However, they caution that it might be overly complex for a beginner just looking for a simple plug-and-play setup, as taking full advantage of its capabilities requires some technical know-how. While it has its quirks, like some settings being slow to apply and the management interface having some limitations, the overall performance and stability are top-notch. For anyone wanting to step up from a basic consumer router to something more secure and capable, this system proves to be an excellent choice.
Cool. Let's uncover what our next reviewer has to say.
This reviewer, an IT professional, was looking to upgrade a dated home networking setup. In their two-story 2400 SXK50 house, the previous system of a primary router and a separate access point was causing frustration. It required multiple network names, and devices often failed to switch between them smoothly, leading to poor connections when moving around. The goal was to find a modern solution that could create a single, seamless network and take full advantage of the latest Wi-Fi 6 technology. After setting it up, our reviewer was immediately impressed with the ease of installation. The main router and satellite unit were already paired from the factory, and the system connected to their internet service without any trouble. They noted that while a user-friendly app is available for simple setup, a more robust, professional-grade web interface is also there for those who want finer control. In terms of performance, this mesh system has been a game-changer. The client noted that a wired connection between the two units provides the best possible speeds, delivering over 700 Mbps consistently to their Wi-Fi 6 devices anywhere in the house. Even without the wire, the wireless connection between the units was strong. Dead spots are a thing of the past, and the signal is now powerful enough to cover both the front and back yards. The most significant improvement is the seamless roaming. As they move through the home, their devices automatically connect to the strongest signal without any drops or interruptions. With over 20 devices connected from security cameras to laptops, this Wi-Fi system has been rock solid. It's a true set-it-and-forget-it piece of hardware that has eliminated all previous networking headaches.
Fantastic. Now, let's see what insights our next reviewer has to offer.
This reviewer starts with a major caveat. Be prepared to handle any technical issues yourself, as NETGEAR's tech support seems to be non-existent. If you're not comfortable diving into the nitty-gritty of network configuration, this client suggests looking elsewhere. That being said, our reviewer finds this mesh Wi-Fi system a solid piece of hardware, provided you have the technical know-how. They appreciate its ability to support separate networks for business, school, personal use, and guests, all while sharing a considerable wireless connection. The system offers bandwidth metering and controls, which this client finds useful. Importantly, they note that both wired and wireless speeds are as fast as their modem allows, without any bottlenecks caused by the system itself. Unlike older setups with range extenders, this system allows seamless roaming between rooms and floors without signal drops or disconnections. Furthermore, this reviewer feels that managing the system is much easier than previous multi-piece network configurations, but only if you're comfortable logging into the router's web portal and navigating firmware-based networking tools. However, this is where the user-friendliness ends. This client stresses that this system is not suitable for those unfamiliar with networking concepts and accessing firmware settings through a web portal and IP addresses. They even discovered, through frustrating trial and error, that the system is incompatible with the NETGEAR apps recommended for setup. Attempting to use those apps led to crashes and freezes, requiring a complete factory reset of all hardware before starting over. Ultimately, this reviewer was only successful when they bypassed the apps entirely and configured the system directly through the web portal. Overall, this client believes this mesh Wi-Fi system is a worthwhile investment, particularly for small to medium-sized businesses or homes with IT expertise on hand. It ensures that everyone connected SH.
And that's a wrap. If this video was helpful, like and subscribe. Got questions? Let's chat in the comments. See you soon.